As I mentioned in the previous screencast, this question number 39 actually belongs in the previous section on bonding and nomenclature, so that leaves us really with only one real question from this section, balancing and chemical reactions, which would be number 40. So with number 40, they're asking you to balance each of the following equations. We do this by what we call balancing by inspection, which really is just checking element by element, or in some cases radicals, how many we have on the left side and how many we have on the right side, to see if we need to multiply any of the formulas by a particular coefficient. So just using A as an example, in the NaOH we have 1 sodium, Na, and on the right side in the sodium carbonate we have 2 sodiums, so we're going to multiply the NaOH on the left side by a coefficient of 2. If we start looking at other elements, here we have oxygen. There's 1 oxygen here, but we've multiplied by a coefficient of 2, so we have 2 oxygens. And on the right side, water only has 1 oxygen, so we've multiplied it by a coefficient of 2. For hydrogen, we have 1 hydrogen here, but multiplied by a coefficient of 2, so we've got 2 hydrogens there and 2 more here in the carbonic acid for a total of 4, and the water has been multiplied by a coefficient of 2, so we also have 4 hydrogens here. We have a carbonate ion, CO3, here in the carbonic acid, and also 1 carbonate ion here in the sodium carbonate, so all elements or radicals have been balanced by inspection. You'd follow the same procedure in balancing the remaining ones, just continuing to look how many of each element or radical are on the left side and how many are on the right side, and what do you need to multiply any of the particular formulas by to get the proper coefficients.